So here's the list of the top 6 dash cameras which you can buy in India right now. So do note that all of the dash cams which I'm going to show you in this video, I've tried them out personally and tested them out extensively. So just in case you want to get to know the detail of any one of the dash cams, just click down on the description. I'll give you the link for the detailed review video as well. So without wasting any more of your time, let's jump in straight into the video. But before you watch the rest of this video, make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and smash that like button. You're watching Gizmobeep. Let's get started. So let's start off the list with the world's best dash camera, the Viofo A329. So this dash camera has a long list of features for which probably even this particular video might not be enough. But the key point to note is that this dash camera is the only one which can shoot native 4K resolution at 60 frames per second. No other dash camera in the world can do that. Apart from this dash camera is the only one which can provide you near unlimited storage space. Yes, most dash cameras kind of max out on 256 GB and more premium dash cameras max out on 512 GB storage. But the Viofo A329 maxes out on 4 terabytes of storage. Yes, this is the only camera in the world which supports external SSD support up to 4 TB. Now, I personally tried out my 1 TB SSD with this dashcam and it works flawlessly well. Along with that, this is the first dashcam to implement the Wi-Fi 6 standards for transferring videos from your dashcam to your smartphone. Now, transferring a single 4K file will take less than 10 seconds. Apart from this, the Viofo A329 is the only dash camera in the world which gets a HDMI out port, which means you can connect your dash camera to any display which supports HDMI port, and basically you can stream the videos from your dashcam to your TV, to your car display or any other display you want. So these are only a few of the top features of this dashcam, but if you're interested to get to know in detail about the Viofo A329, I've made a super detailed review video of this camera. You'll find the link to that video in the description. Make sure to check out that video if you're interested in getting this dash camera. Talking about getting it, this dash camera comes in 2 different variants, the dual channel variant and the single channel variant. The dual channel variant coming in at a price of about 40,000 rupees and the single channel variant coming in at a price of about 32,000 rupees. But do note that in case if you do use the purchase link that's given in the description and you purchase by paying via UPI, you get an additional 1,000 rupee instant discount. Now that's a sweet deal which I would not miss. That being said, moving on to the next dashcam in this list, the second best dashcam which I would definitely recommend, the Viofo A229 Pro. So this is the former king of dash cameras and kind of slightly misses out on the features of what the A329 offers, but do not make a mistake, the A229 Pro is still a very powerful and a strong contender in the best dashcam list. Now the good thing to note is that in case under 40,000 you want to have a triple channel setup, because the A329 is only a dual channel one, the Viofo A229 Pro can give you a triple channel setup under 40,000 rupees, more specifically 39,000 rupees. And of course, as said previously, if you pay via UPI using the link in the description, the price will come down to 38,000 rupees. That being said, the A229 Pro comes in 3 different variants, that is triple channel, dual channel and even a single channel, where the front only variant will come at a price of about 29,000 rupees and the dual channel comes close to about 32,000 rupees. The A229 Pro is the pinnacle of dashcam technology and has remained one of the standards, the gold standards of dash cameras, based on which the A329 was furthermore refined. Apart from the fact that the A229 Pro cannot shoot 4K at 60 FPS, it can shoot 4K at 30 FPS. There aren't a lot of features which kind of differentiate it between the A329. And do note that even the cabin camera gets the previous gen StarVis sensor. So if you have a price range which is starting from 30,000 and can go up to 40,000, the Viofo A229 Pro triple channel or the dual channel variant would be an ideal choice. So moving on to the next dashcam in this list, this is the world's most value for money dashcam and I very recently reviewed it on my channel. I'm talking about the Redtiger F77. So if you have a budget of about 26 to 27,000 rupees, you can get 2 4K cameras, one for the front and one for the rear. And the good thing being, both are StarVis 2 IMX678, which means you get top of the line most premium video quality from both front and the rear cameras. The design of this camera is super sweet. I mean, it has such a balanced appeal, such a balanced look. And of course, along with that, it gets a 4-inch touchscreen display, gets GPS, gets parking monitoring mode. I mean, all of the standard features which you would expect from a dashcam. The Redtiger F77 has it within it. So if you are looking for a dual channel setup and you want to have the finest video quality that's available out there and you have a budget of about 26 to 27,000 rupees, pick up the Redtiger F77. Just don't think about anything else. And the good thing being, you can get a free hardware kit with the camera if you use the link in the description below. So go ahead, click down on the description and purchase using my affiliate link to get yourself a free hardware kit from which you can monitor your car even when the car is parked. Moving on to the next dash cam in this list, I'm talking about the king, or should I say the budget king of 4K cameras. This is a 70mm A810 and this camera has impressed me a lot considering the quality the front camera provides and considering the price this comes at. So if you have a budget of about 20,000 rupees and you cannot spend beyond it, the A810 is the ultimate choice for you. So this camera was one of the earliest cameras to adopt the star-V2 sensor and still is a strong contender within that budget range. And of course, having the power of star-V2 really works in the favor of the A810. Exceptional low light performance, top-notch number plate readability. The only concern which many people had that the rear camera quality might not be up to the front camera level, but other than that, exceptional features and a long list of impressive features for the price you're paying for it. Under 20k, 70mm A810 should be your definite choice. So moving on to the next dashcam in this list, the most value for money triple channel dashcam. So if you have a budget of about 16,000 to 17,000 rupees, the Redtiger F17 is one of the finest choices that you can get in the market right now. I personally tried and tested this dashcam out extensively. This dashcam gives you a 4K resolution front, gives you a cabin camera coverage, gives you rear camera coverage, gets a large display, gets GPS, gets voice control. I mean, all the standard bells and whistles, all the features which you might expect from a dashcam, and the overall quality is simply good for the price this camera comes at. Considering this is a triple channel dashcam, getting that extra coverage within the 16,000 price range is simply a sweet deal. And additionally, if you want to monitor your car when it's parked, you also get a free hardware kit if you use the link given in the description below. That makes it an even more value for money prospect. The Redtiger F17 has always been in the list of my favorite dashcams simply because of its performance, simply because of the price, and of course all the features this dash camera can provide for you. So moving on to the next dashcam in this list, and probably the most value for money dashcam you can ever find in the world, or should I say in India, the 70mm A510. This camera gives you near 4K resolution, that's 1944p, and the best thing being this gives you a star-V2 sensor under the 15,000 segment. So since the time A510 launched, this has been one of the most popular and most opted for dashcams within that price range because basically it comes at a lesser price compared to other star-V2 cameras. That's about 13 to 14,000 rupees. And of course, the single channel variant comes under 10,000 price bracket. That's about 9,999. I mean, who wouldn't prefer to buy this camera? This gives you a GPS, gives you a display, and gives you a picture-in-picture mode. I mean, lots of features, including parking mode. So if there was any dashcam which would sit at the top of the value for money list, the 70mm A510 would definitely be topping that chart. So these are the top 6 dash cameras that are available in the Indian market. But as always, there's always a bonus dash camera. So if you want to have the power of star-V2 and you want a super capacitor based dashcam instead of a battery based one, and you don't want to spend beyond 12,000 rupees, I think I have the perfect choice for you. I'm talking about the Viofo A119 Mini 2. This is a super small sized, compact sized dash camera, and the advantage of having such a compact size is that it doesn't obstruct your view on the windshield and can be easily hidden behind the internal rearview mirror. This camera too gets a star-V2 sensor and also provides a 1944p resolution. This gets voice control, this gets GPS, and it also gets a mini display. Do make sure to check out the A119 Mini 2 if you have a budget of 12,000, and do consider buying it using the link in the description. Additionally, you can also get a 1,000 rupee instant refund by purchasing via UPI, bringing down the price from 12 to even 11,000 rupees. That's a bonus which I would not miss. So that's it. If you want to check out any detail regarding any of the cameras, all the review videos, the links to those review videos are given in the description, along with the purchase links and the relevant offers that might accompany them. So whichever dashcam you're interested in, just click down on the description, go ahead, click on the link and buy it right now. If you do have any query or if you do have any doubt regarding any of these cameras, just write that down in the comments. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And if you like this video and if this video has helped you out in any way, make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and also don't go away without hitting the bell icon so that you get notified each time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.